Today we're going to make kefir water. I'm going to show you how to make kefir water. So, ang mga ingredients natin, so we have the sugar. Ang ginagamit ko is muscovado sugar kasi mas masarap siya. But you can use any kind of sugar, brown sugar, basta ordinary sugar. Pero, wag lang yung honey kasi ang honey has antibacterial properties. So, pwedeng mamatay ang mga bacteria kapag honey yung ginamit natin. Also, unchlorinated water. So, we need itong glass jar na to. I can make 1.5 liters of water. I can put 1.5 liters of water, and then we have the kefir grains. Yan. And we also need the spoon. So, ang ginagamit ko is wooden spoon kasi medyo ayaw ng kefir sa stainless steel or sa plastic. Also, rubber band. Isang rubber band at isang paper, tissue paper for cover later. Ayan. So, what we can do, ang measure kasi is 1 tablespoon of sugar into 500 ml. So, since 1.5 ml ito, or 1.5 liters, I'm gonna put 3 tablespoon of sugar. So, mix. Ihalo mo lang hanggang sa matunaw siya. And then, 3 tablespoons ng sugar, 3 tablespoons din ng grains. Ayan. So, minasure ko na ito kanina. And 1.5 ml of water. Cover that with the tissue, or kung may meron kayo manipis na cloth, and then fasten with rubber band. Voila! We're done. Ayan. So, you just have to wait for 24 to 48 hours bago natin siya i-harvest. Pero sa akin, best time to harvest is after 48 hours. Wala na yung sugar talaga, tas hindi siya masyadong maas.